Well, y'all, I didn't get it on the video, but I did get me one nice yellow cat out here in Baltimore, and that sucker is big. Go ahead and just put him down. I'm gonna go ahead and take him out. All right, this is the one in Baltimore, y'all. First fish out of Baltimore. Nice yellow. Very nice, very nice. Come on, Luffy, get the fish, man.
Well, I got
Okay, I'll hold it.
Real quick. There we go. All right, baby.
Oh, let me tighten you up a bit. Hold on.
I am my slackers.
All right. He's still pulling drag.
He's tugging for his life. He's tugging. What the heck is he?
Pulling down like a cat. Yeah, another big yellow.
Yellow cat. It's her favorite.
Yeah. That's number 2.
Those big yellow things are big.
Yeah, down here they way bigger than the ones we get.
Man, look at the tip right there. Thing snagged away.